So the idea behind this launch event is to be here and reply to a strong requirement in this area, in Chattisgarh area, so especially for mining, to give to this 54 tons trailer the right excellent suspension. So we promoted very recently this kit that we call Rhino Kit, and we proposed last week only, let's say, to Bharat Mobility in Delhi, and immediately after we came here in Chattisgarh for this specific launch event only on this Rhino kit. So two 14-ton axle and suspension with mechanical suspension, and one 13 axle with air suspension.
How do you see the tip trailer segment shaping up in Chattisgarh? Since we also saw the presentation, a lot of customized flexibility has been involved in making of this product for the Indian roads. A few words on the localization and the design that has gone to make this according to the Indian roads.
Yeah, actually this kind of requirements is very specific and common to all the trailer manufacturers here in this area. So discussing with the most important of them, let's say, we focused together on the specific requirements, and this kit is, let's say, the result of this work together them. So it was exactly for the requirement, and this customization, as I said, could serve all of them in this area, because they all have, especially for coal mining, the same requirement.
Now, coming to an overview of SAE SMB's presence in India, you have been producing axles and suspensions and now the full kit. How has been you preparing for the Indian market, and what are your observations in terms of products that you have rolled out, technology and the demand from the market?
First of all, we continue to maintain the, let's say, our quality level, our group quality level. So we are here in India. We are in, especially in for road application, in few segments. So car carrier, now this kind of trailer, or special trailer with pendular axis, and no compromise on quality as a group standard for this product.
You mentioned about the feedback and the study that you are doing with the fleet operators and the bodybuilders for the Indian market. Accordingly, you have set up a plant in Pune, which actually caters to the demand. Few words on how you are trying to cope up with the demand in terms of the plant that you have set up, the capacity utilization and the overall goal or roadmap for the plant in India.
So the plant, our plant in India, had been designed for a very big capacity, actually, and it has been based on the on all the studies, and actually not only the studies but the actual figure that year by year we can register and record here in India in this sector of mobility. So it is growing a lot, and actually our plant has already a capacity more than double of what we are producing now, and when the company, when the headquarters decided to go for this new plant, they went for the 7 acres plot, and a second expansion, a future expansion, is already available over there for future growth.
Wonderful. Any specific growth targets or medium to near term plan that you have for SAE SMB axles and suspensions in India?
Our target for 2024 is to increase our turnover, and so our production and sales compared to 2023 of more than 60%. And 2023 on 2022 already recorded a very high increase. So actually what had been decided when this plant had been designed and then built is becoming a reality.
Wonderful. Antonio, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And wish you all the best for the plans that you have ahead.
Thank you.